We're out here at the corner of Selma Highway and Thornton Road.
This was a 2-lane road as long as I've been here, and I've been here for 50 years.
We were employed by the county to reconstruct a 2-lane road from Selma Highway to I-8 into a 4-lane road.
This is a project that started 10 years ago with a design concept report that we had done, partnered with Casa Grande.
Really highlights a great partnership that we have with the county.
And now here we are with the finished product.
To see the upgrade that's been done here is fantastic.
Part of that DCR that we did was to look at how we could target making Thornton a major arterial while incorporating all the economic development that was coming in.
It's important that people understand these things don't just happen overnight.
Thornton Road widening has been a project in the planning for over 10 years now. With Lucid coming on board, that drove phase 1. And then phase 2, the county took over that part of it. They finished the widening of Thornton Road from Selma Highway all the way down to I-8.
The largest challenges were coordinating with the multiple stakeholders.
You name it, there was not an agency that probably didn't get touched. And it's not easy. There's a lot of collaboration with a lot of different organizations to make these things happen.
And then maintaining traffic. There's a lot of industrial and commuting traffic on a daily basis, so making sure that while we were working through the sequencing of the project that we can maintain a safe and productive corridor for the traveling public.
Pinal County applied for an ESP grant through the Arizona Commerce Authority. That grant is used to help rural communities develop thoroughfares to encourage economic development.
Sometimes it's difficult for the public to see how important a project is until after it's built. Right now, we don't currently have the amount of truck traffic that is planned, but once we do have that truck traffic, you're really going to see the need for this corridor.
If I head to San Diego, I enter I-8 from Thornton Road.
The I-8 doesn't have interchanges that are really improved within Pinal County. This first one giving us a major arterial, 4 lanes, a median, allowing not only the trucks to access Thornton, but also the citizens to use instead of going through Casa Grande or coming through the I-10. It's a way to alleviate traffic in other areas.
We really appreciate and enjoy the partnership that we have with Pinal County. Looking at things from a regional aspect really is important so that we impact all the residents in this area, not just for Casa Grande or Pinal County. It's a partnership that we look forward to carrying on for a long time.
We couldn't have asked for a better partnership, accommodation, understanding, forward thinking, support in actually executing the project. It was excellent.
This is a big project for Pinal County. This is a great use of our money to focus here in Casa Grande and spend that money wisely to encourage the development over here.
So when we do spend these dollars, we do want to make sure that they benefit the entire community. When we decide to do something, we want to see a cost benefit to everybody in the community. And I believe this is a classic example.